Welcome to all in our lecture series of PPCM. In today's lecture, we seen about the Gantt chart resource use. In our previous lecture, we studied that Gantt chart or a bar chart is used for seeing the progress monitoring. In Gantt chart, we also seen the resource use, means you also find the per day cost, how much money you required for a day. This is helpful because you know how much money you required and how much money you have to give to other person for a daily wages. So for that we have taken one example here. We have activity 1, 2, 3, 4 and we say description is A, B, C, D. A work for 3 days, B for 3 days, C for 4 days and D for 5 days. So for A, he's taken 3 days and the cost of A work is 3000, for B is 6000, for C is 4000 and for D is 2000. So total cost is 15,000. So now we have to making bar chart. So for bar chart we have to take an activity on left side and time on top of the chart. So here we have taken A, B, C, D and we making a bar for the duration of activity. For example, here we have seen A is taking 3 days. So here we take 3 days. Here we have not given the any sentence or any project criteria, so here we taken the randomly, means we started B from concurrent to A and C after ending of B. Okay, so randomly here we have taken. Now you have seen A is taken 3 days as a duration and cost is 3000, so per day cost is 1000. So you divided this all activity by per day cost, means A activity take 1000, B activity is also take 2000. So in this way you have to divide this. Okay, so here we have find that cost of work done in 1000. First day we need a 1000 rupees, second day we need 3000, third, fourth, fifth. At 10 days we need the cost of work done is 0.4. Now cumulative of this work cost is 1479 and the percentage is 6.6, 26, 45, 60, 67 and so on. So in this way we find that at the first day we need a 1000 rupees which we have to given to labor or maybe used for the resources. So in this way bar chart also gives a resource uses to us for a per day or for per day basis, and we draw this graph of resource uses like this, in this way you have to draw this graph. Okay, so bar chart gives the resource use also. Now advantage and disadvantage of bar chart. Advantage of bar chart is intuitive representation, communication to any level in the organization, excellent representation for final planning and monitoring information, ideal for project that's simple and sequential. Okay, so these are the advantage of the bar chart. And the disadvantage of bar chart is dependencies cannot be represented, limitation in number of activities represented, means if we have big project then we divided that project in number of activities, but in bar chart we have show the limited activities. So this is the disadvantage. Cannot be used as an analytical tool and can be very complex to prepare for large projects. If the project is large then number of activities is more, but here we used limitation of activities. That's why it is very complex to prepare the large projects. So this lecture is over, guys. We meet with another lecture. Thank you.